Ipapakita ko po kung paano mag-transfer ng eCash to another member. So, after niyo po maklik yung eCash to eCash dito sa remittance, after po ng eCash button, so ito po yung pipill up nyo lang po yung Visa registration code ng pagpapasahan nyo ng eCash, yung amount, at yung inyong password ilalagay nyo po. So, ang susunod po doon is just click submit. So, are you sure to process? Okay lang po. So, eCash to eCash was successfully transferred. So, meron pong kinolekta na 25 pesos. Any amount po yan na charge sa inyong eCash to eCash transfers. So, to make sure po na pumasok nga po yung eCash transfer natin doon sa pinagpasahan natin, let's click Reports, General Report. And then, lagay po natin exclusive dates from October 1, 2011 to November 22, 2011. Okay, generate report. So let's go to the bottom. So ito po, number 89. Ito po yung natin, 7,571. May charge po na 25. Ito po yung remaining balance ko before nag-transact, and then ito na po yung natira after the transaction. At after po nun, kumita po ako ng piso because nag-transfer nga po ako doon sa isang dealer. So yung 3,558 nadagdagan ng piso. So yung remaining balance ko as of now is 3,559. So ganun po kaganda yung system ng GPRS.